Alright folks, for this June 4th sale, we've got a Gehl 4625 SX skid steer. Tire machine, it's got a bucket, got an extra hydraulic cylinder, all rebuilt, he said. A few parts in there, you can kind of see the seats a little bit needing replaced. Tires are, they're wore out. They're holding there and they're working out, but you're gonna need to put new tires on this machine. I want to say it's got 4,151 hours, if I'm reading that right. Little Kubota engine, it looks like. Dan's going to jump in it and give it a quick spin to show everything working. But no, it looks like everything functions all right on this. There's been a few times it didn't want to start, and then we tripped the ignition switch a few times and then it fired right up. This morning I jumped in it and it fired right up. So that's probably just a loose wire somewhere, but just a good little machine. Like everything works as it should on it. It's all hand control on this machine. The right side runs the machine, I think, and then the left side runs the boom and the bucket with a twist handle, or vice versa. And so it all works as it should. So there you go. June 4th.